Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Weber Go Anywhere Portable Liquid Propane Gas Grill, perfect for travel and camping. This compact grill features a single burner with a push-button ignition for easy and reliable lighting every time. Its porcelain-enameled stamped steel cooking grate ensures even heat distribution and helps prevent flare-ups while grilling. The unique tuck-away lid holder safely cradles the lid on the grill's lip when you need to check or remove food. Although it uses charcoal power, the design makes it highly portable and user-friendly for outdoor cooking. Whether you're tailgating or camping, this grill delivers great performance in a small package. Get ready to enjoy delicious grilled meals wherever your adventures take you. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.